big vocabulary words to remember are gas giants, which are the four outer planets, the Galilean moons, named for Galileo Galilei, the Italian astronomer, and planetary ring, which is the disk of material that circles a planet. Jupiter has a distance of 5.2 AUs. The length of the day is almost 10 Earth hours. Jupiter takes almost 12 years to revolve around the Sun and has 60 moons. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is actually a storm. Jupiter's atmosphere appears striped because of the winds on Jupiter. Saturn has a distance of just under 10 AUs. The length of a day on Saturn is just under half an Earth day at 10 hours and 39 minutes. Saturn revolves around the Sun once every 29.5 years and has 62 moons. Uranus has a distance of just over 19 AUs. The length of a day is around 17.5 Earth hours. Orbiting on its side, Uranus revolves around the Sun once every 84 years, meaning each season lasts approximately 21 years. This planet has 27 moons. The last of the gas giants, Neptune has a distance just over 30 AUs. A Neptunian day is just over 16 Earth hours. Neptune revolves around the Sun once every 165 years. Neptune has 14 moons, the most famous being Triton, and has the strongest winds in the solar system. Triton is Neptune's largest moon, and it orbits in the opposite direction of the other Neptunian moons. Scientists believe that this was caused by a near collision long ago. Triton is currently spiraling in towards Neptune. Eventually, Triton will become too close and the planet's gravitational pull will bring the moon closer, causing Triton to be pulled into pieces. In conclusion, the gas giants are the four outer planets in the solar system. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each of these planets is huge with many moons. Each planet is unique.